Hi everyone, today in this video let's look at how Python standard data types work. So let's see how basic data types works in Python.
In general, Python data types can be distinguished between two types, like immutable and mutable. The contents of the objects of immutable objects cannot be changed, like string and integers. But lists which are mutable, we can change. So let's look into that. So let's see how we can use these numerical types. Here in this Python script, you can see how numerical types like long, integer, float and complex numbers are defined. And if we run the script with these print statements, you can see them printed in console. So I'll run this. You can see all the long, integer, float and complex numbers that has been printed here. Now let's check the type of the objects we have created. So we can simply write print and type long. So let's run it again. So I have used this Python built-in function type for this. So we can even see, let's use the complex number. I will type the variable name here and let's run it again. Now you can see in the console the type has been printed as complex. The other most important type is string. Strings in Python are defined as a contiguous set of characters represented in the quotation marks. Python allows for either pair of single or double quotes. So let's look how strings can be defined and use them. So here I have used single quotes and we can print the string variable. And if you want, you can use the double quotes to define the string. Subsets of strings can be taken using the slice operator, with indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the string and working their way from -1 at the end. So let's take the first character of the string. So I will print str0 and I will run this script. You can see the letter H has been printed in the console. So if we want to take the character starting from 3rd to 5th, we can simply write 3 and 6. So there it goes. And then if you want to print the string starting from 3rd character, we can write it like this. Now let's move into the iterators like lists and tuples and the other most important type, dictionary. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. So I have defined the variable list like this and also a tuple like this. The tuple is enclosed with parentheses and they cannot be updated because they are immutable. It's like read-only lists. So I will show you how to change an element of a list. So I will change the first element of this list by assigning the value. So you can see the first value XYZ has been changed to the string changed. So now I will show you how we can change the tuple. Since it is immutable, you already know that we can't change this. So it will raise an type error as tuple object does not support item assignment. So those are the major differences between tuple and a list. So now let's move to dictionaries. Dictionaries can be declared like this. Dictionaries have no concept of order among elements. Keys and values can be assigned in this manner. So the key is 1 here and the value is this. And then again the 2 the value can be this. So if you want to get the value of the first key, you can simply write the name of the dictionary and the key name. So let's run this and see how we can get it. As you can see, the value has been printed here. And let's see, if you want to print all the keys of this dictionary, you can say dictionary, the variable name of the dictionary dot keys. So once you run it, you can see all the values has been printed here. And even if you want, you can print the keys and values like this.
To conclude, we have discussed about Python basic data types and how we can use them in Python environment. Stay tuned.